Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I am to discuss the examples of triangles. Few examples already discussed. So the remaining one we'll discuss it. So now you should get ready. Okay. So already up to 4 finished. I hope clear. Even in doubt you inform me, I will help you again. Basically whatever we are discussing, that this type of problems very important. Suppose question number 4 already finished. I told you that this question is very important. Prove that the diagonals drawn in a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. This type of question will come in your exam. Very important. Okay, clear? So now we'll discuss what, sir? Example 5 onwards. Clear? Okay. So this question, see, at first read the question. Prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisects the parallelogram in equal to halves. Very important question. This question also very important. VVI. Okay, you should practice it more, because this type of questions will come. Question number 4, question number 3, whatever we are discussing, examples as well as exercise, all problems, and your concept should be cleared according to the congruency. We are doing everything. Okay, congruency, rule of congruency. So here question is telling, sir, what? Prove that the diagonals of parallelogram. Okay, so here already drawn one, otherwise we will draw one parallelogram. Okay, so here see this figure, basically we will draw it. Okay, and AC is the what? AC is the diagonals. AC is the diagonal. Clear or not? AC is the diagonal. So these diagonals of a parallelogram bisect the parallelogram. কি করছে? Bisect করছে. Okay, it is bisecting. কাকে bisect করছে? The parallelogram in equal two halves. Okay, so it is bisecting two parallelogram. So we are getting what, sir? Two halves. Okay, one whole thing. So by one line we are dividing the two parts, means we are getting two parts. Clear or not? So that way only one diagonals, basically here we are taking, we can get two diagonals also, but here no need two diagonals, only one diagonal. It is bisecting to a parallelogram in equal to halves. That is the question, and we will prove it. Question clear, everyone? Question clear or not? So this is the figure, we can take the BD also, BD diagonal also we can take it. Clear? Suppose if we draw one diagonal, okay, so suppose this angle, this diagonal also we can take it, this diagonal also we can take it, A, B, this one C and D. Okay, BD diagonal also we can take it. See, we are getting two parts now, we are getting two parts, 1 and 2, two halves we are getting. So that one is telling in the question. So what we prove, sir? What we prove, sir? We are getting two triangles, basically we are getting two triangles. That one equal, will prove it. Okay, clear? Equal to halves, that one will prove it. Equal to halves, and two halves means two triangles we are getting. That is the question. Okay, so here which triangles we are getting, sir? See in the figure here, ABC triangle. So triangle ABC. Clear? Okay, I'm taking this triangle only, and triangle ADC. Two triangles we are getting. Similarly, we can get from this triangle also, this figure means this parallelogram, we are getting two triangle. Which triangle, sir? ABD as well as what? BCD, two triangles. Okay, clear? Okay, so now see, so from these two triangles we are getting what, sir? We get, so from triangle ABC and triangle ADC we get, what do you get, sir? See, we are getting here, any common portion is there? Yes, sir. See, AB, this AB and CD, two sides are what, sir? Opposite sides are equal, no? We know that the criteria of the parallelogram, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides are equal, like rectangle, opposite sides are equal, no? So parallelogram also, in parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. Okay, clear? So that means point number 1 we are getting what? AB equal to CD. Why, sir? Because opposite sides of parallelogram, or we can write opposite sides, I'm writing in short, okay? Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. That also you can write opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Clear? Point number 1. Next, similarly see, AD, this AD side and BC sides are equal. Clear or not? So that means we can write point number 2, AD equal to BC, same condition, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Clear, everyone? Next, another condition, what, sir? Another condition we are getting, point number 3, one common side we are getting. Common side, which one? Common side, AC is the common side, means which one? That is called diagonal. That is called what? AC is the diagonal, no? So that AC side is equal, AC equal to AC. Okay, that is what, sir? Common side of two triangles, Clear? 3 conditions we are getting, sir. That means we can say, sir, that is congruent or not. Our rules are there, congruency rules, congruency properties are there. Clear or not? So see, first condition we are getting opposite sides. Okay, opposite sides we are getting equal, two opposite sides. Okay, and one common side also we are getting, what? Equal. So from here we can say two triangles are congruent, no? Triangle ABC congruent triangle ADC, we can say or not? Okay, what property, sir? SSS property. Clear? Clear or not? SSS property we are following here. Okay, I hope up to this one clear. Next, so from here we can say what, sir? From here we can say, we prove what? Two triangles are equal and equal, no? ABC triangle and ADC triangle, two triangles are, this one triangle 1 and this one triangle 2, 1 and 2 triangles are what? Equal. That one will prove it. Clear? So since we are getting what? Common side, no? AC, and AC also we can say another point also, AC is the common side of two triangles. Point number 3. Similarly, another point also we can say that AC is the what? AC is the corresponding side. AC is the corresponding side of triangles, two triangles, of two triangles. Clear or not? AC is the corresponding side, no? So from two triangles we are getting one side AC. From ABC also we are getting AC. From ADC also we are getting AC. That is common side as well as, and that is what? Bisecting. Okay, that is what? Bisecting. AC is the corresponding corresponding of two triangles, corresponding what? Corresponding side. AC is the corresponding side of two triangles, and that is what? That is bisecting. That means what? AC is bisecting here, no? AC is bisecting. Clear? Clear or not? So from here we can say that what? Two triangles are equal. Two triangles are triangle ABC equal to triangle ADC. Clear? Understood? Very easy. So these are the rules. We will follow it at first. At first we will prove what? Congruency. Next we are getting what? One bisecting A also, side also we are getting. AC is the bisecting line. Okay, bisecting line of what? Means that figure is bisecting by AC, so that's why we are getting. Okay, AC is bisecting of the figure. Here we can write AC is bisecting of the figure, or AC is the bisecting AC side, we can say AC side, or AC line also we can say AC line. Okay, AC line is bisecting of the figure. Clear? So that means we can say two triangles are equal. Triangle ABC equal to triangle ADC or ACD. Clear? I hope. Clear everyone? So this question is very, very important. This one, that 70 or 80% will come, means the chance is there in your exam. Question number 4 also very, very important. So this is what? VVI. You should remember it and you should practice it as much as possible. As soon as possible you should practice it. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is telling, see, in the adjoining figure PQ equal to SR. In the adjoining figure PQ equal to SR and PQ what? Parallel SR. Prove that PS equal to QR. Okay, question is clear? Just read the question again. And in the adjoining figure, one figure given here, PQ equal to SR. Okay, PQ equal to SR condition given, and PQ parallel SR. PQ SR songe ki, that is also parallel. Okay, two things given. We prove what, sir? We'll prove that PS equal to QR. Will prove it. PS equal to QR will prove it. Okay, clear? So actually their figure is not clear here. The figure will be there in the question. Okay, I am drawing here. Just a minute. So this is the figure. So this is the figure, suppose, and this is what? Diagonal. This is the question, and here given what? This is P, Q, R and S. Yes, this is the question, P, Q, R, S. Okay, clear? Okay, so what to do here, sir? What to do here? Here also we are getting from the figure two triangles PQR, PQS and SQR by QRS. Okay, two triangles we are getting. I am writing here triangle PQS and triangle QRS. We get this one from, and here we get from two triangles we are getting what, sir? Actually, see, at first see what is the given data. PQ equal to SR. PQ equal to SR means this side and SR, this side are equal. Okay, and another thing, equal as well as parallel. Equal and parallel. PQ parallel SR given now here. PQ as well as SR are what? Parallel. Equal and parallel. Two things given here in the question. So now we are getting what, sir? At first we'll prove what? Congruent. two triangles are congruent, that one will prove it. Clear or not? And if we prove it, two triangles are congruent, so our two things will be equal. So how do you prove, sir? We'll prove PS equal to QR. Yes, PS means this side and this side. PS this side and QR this side, will prove it equal, this one and this one. Okay, this side and this side what? Up and down, these two sides are what? Equal, given in the question, and parallel also given. So we prove what? That PS this side, okay, left hand side and right hand side will prove equal. That is the thing. Clear? Now see, so at first from two triangles we are getting what, sir? Like question number 5 we did know. Now we did that one, just now we did. So same question, same type of question here given, same type of figure here given also, so we'll prove it. So SR equal to PQ equal to SR, this one given, PQ equal to SR, this one given in the question, this one given in the question, two sides are equal. Okay, next what, sir? Next, one common side we are getting. Common side what? SQ equal to SQ. Why, sir? That is what, sir? Common side. That is what? Common side of two triangles, of two triangles. SQ equal to SQ. Clear? So point number 1, PQ equal to SR, this one already given in the question, and number 2 we are getting common side SQ equal to SQ, that is common side. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Next, another thing we are getting what, sir? Another thing we are getting, point number 3. See here we are getting these two sides equal, no? So these two angles also are equal. Which two angles, sir? This angle and this angle what? Are equal. Why? Because these two angles are alternate angle. We know that, we did before also. Clear or not? Which two angles are? PQS angle equal to what? QSR angle, QSR. Two angles are what? Two angles are equal. Why, sir? Alternate angle. Okay, so two conditions here. One condition, alternate angle. Okay, and another one given in the question. See, PQ equal to SR, no? PQ parallel SR. So by that formula also we are getting PQ parallel SR. From here we are getting two angles are equal. Why? Alternate angle, and here given what? PQ parallel SR, no? So that's why we are writing. Another two angles also we can take it. Which two angles are? PSQ also we can take it. PSQ and SQR, that one also we can take it, because that one also alternate angle. Clear or not? That one also we can take it. Clear? Understood? Okay, now see we are getting three conditions. So condition number 1, two sides are equal, that is given in the question, and one common side we are getting from two triangles. Okay, and one angle are equal. Okay, that is called alternate angle. So that means three properties we are getting. So that means we can say what? Two triangles are congruent. Triangle PQS, that congruency, triangle QRS. Clear or not? So what is the property, sir? Which property we are following? Two sides and one angle. That means SAS property. SAS property we are following here. Okay, clear or not? Okay, or rule also you can say, SAS rule also you can say it. Okay, and so since two triangles are congruent, that means we can say two sides are equal. Two sides means which side? This P side, PS, this side PS equal to what? QR. We can say or not? We can say or not? Why? Because corresponding side CPC/TC formula. CPC/TC rules by CPC/TC. Okay, means corresponding sides are equal. Okay, corresponding parts of congruency triangle are congruent. That is the full form of CPC/TC. I told you before. So that's why we are writing here. Since we are getting two triangles are congruent, that means two sides are equal. Clear or not? This one also important question. Means every problem, all problems are here, very important problems. You should practice it. You have to practice, and this type of question will come. You will see this type of questions will come in your exam. Okay, and this concept, if you practice it, no, so exercise also you can do it. That's why we are doing the example at first. Here that concept also will be cleared and you can do it also. Okay, next question number 7. Question number 7 is telling here, see, in the adjoining figure PQ equal to RS. Okay, here is the figure, PQ equal to RS given, question number 7, and QU equal to PT, QU equal to PT. Okay, SQU equal to P at T. Prove that two things will prove it. Two triangles are congruent. Okay, very good. And RT equal to SU. Two things will prove it. Means we are proving at first what? We are proving at first the two triangles are congruent, that one. And if we prove it, that one, that the remaining whatever is there, that one also will prove it. Two sides or two angles are equal, that one we can prove it. So that is the question. At first we will prove what? We will prove that two triangles are congruent. Okay, clear? So here that figure is not clear. So here PTR triangles and Q, U and S. That is what, sir? S side. That is S. Okay, that is S. This is the figure. So from here we will prove what, sir? Two triangles are congruent. So what is the given, sir? Here in the figure given, PQ equal to RS. See PQ what? This side PQ equal to what? RS. This one and this side are equal. Next what? QU equal to PT. QU equal to this side and this side are equal. Okay. Next question, the condition given what, sir? SQU this angle equal to PRT, this angle are equal. So prove that two triangles are congruent. Question clear, sir? Very easy question and important question also. See here two triangles are joining, no? Okay, the base of one triangle, base in one triangle means triangle PRT joining another triangle QUS. That triangle is also joining here. Okay, clear? That is the condition, but process are same thing is given here. So what to do here, sir? Same thing we can write what? So from two triangle, what, sir? Triangle PTR and triangle QUS, we get what? We get, sir? So from triangle PTR and triangle QUS we get what? We get condition already given in the question. PQ equal to RS. This is what? Point number 1 already given in the question. Number 2, another side also, QU equal to PT. I am writing from the question only. These two conditions, whatever is there in the given condition, that one from there only we are writing. Okay. Another condition, what, sir? Point number 3, SQU. Okay, SQU means what, sir? Here SQU equal to PRT, that one also given. Clear or not? Clear? Understood or not? Okay. Next what, sir? Next what? So we are getting from two triangles we are getting what, sir? Two sides are given here. Two sides means PQ and RS are equal. Okay, PQ and RS are equal, and Q and PT are equal. But see one thing here, that PQ, no, PT up to what? PT up to Q, that is not base of the triangle, no, that is full, not base. Means half portions we are getting from triangle PTR. We are getting PQ is the what? Half base. Okay, clear or not? So that means we cannot say this one, means this condition we won't take, this one we won't take. Okay, PQ equal to RS, this one we won't take. Clear or not? Okay, see one thing. So two conditions we are getting, QU equal to PT, that one already given in the question. Okay, and SQU equal to PRT, two conditions we are getting. And another thing what, sir? This condition we won't take. Point number one I am telling what, sir? PQ equal to RS, no, this one we won't write here, no need to write here, just see the figure. PQ equal to RS, that one given in the question. Okay, but we won't apply that one in the congruency. Okay, with the help of this property, with the help of this condition, we will prove what, sir? The two sides are equal of the two triangles. Okay, means which side, sir? See this P to R what? One side of the triangle. Which triangle? PTR. But here given P2 up to Q and R2 up to S, these two things are equal. Clear or not? RS this one and this one equal. Okay, so this middle portion, no, Q2 up to R, that one what? Common portion of two triangles. Clear? This QR portion is the common portion of two triangles, okay, of two triangles, triangle PTR, similarly QUS. Okay, clear? So including these two things, we can say that two sides are equal. How, sir? See, PQ equal to RS, that one we are getting, and QR equal to QR what? Common side. That is what? Common side of two triangles, Okay, try to understand. P2 up to Q, that one, and R2 up to S, that two things are equal in the question, that one already given in the question. And another thing we are getting what, sir? Q2 up to R, Q2 up to R, what, sir? Q2 up to R, that is what? Common portion, no? Common portion of two triangles. This triangle also, that is common portion up to this one to this one, and this portion also up to common portion up to this one to this one. What means from two triangles we are getting their common portions. QR equal to QR, that is common side, not here we will write common portion of two triangles. Okay, QR is the what, sir? QR is the common portion, that is better. And from here we can say what? PQ plus QR, just add it this one, this side and this side, add it. PQ plus QR we are getting, and here we are getting RS plus QR. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so PQ plus QR. So what, sir? PQ plus QR, just see, PQ plus QR means that this side, no, total side of the triangle PTR. Clear? And QR plus RS, yes, QR plus RS equal, we are getting equal or not? Clear? So we are getting equal, so that means we can what? Two sides are equal, means we are getting common portion. Okay, we are proving what? PQ plus QR and RS plus QR, that one we are getting. Okay, so now we can say what? So three conditions we are getting or not? So this is what? This is one, S2, QU equal to PT, this condition, and two angles are equal, this condition, and here one side is equal, that also we are getting. Okay, clear or not? Clear? So PQ plus QR, that means we can say what? Here PQ plus QR, that means what? PR, no? PR, see the figure I am writing here. PQ plus QR, what, sir? P2R equal to RS plus QR, QS. Proved. Try to understand this side is very, very important. PQ and RS already given in the question, equal, and QR and QR, this portion, common portion of two triangles. Okay, so we are adding this portion, and if we added these two portions, we are getting what, sir? PR. Why PR? Because PQ plus QR equal to PR, PQ plus QR equal to PR. Clear or not? From here to here, and QR plus RS equal to what? QS. Okay, clear? So that's why now we are getting three condition. Condition number one I am writing here freshly, PR equal to QS. Okay, proved. That one what? Proved. Okay, number two what, sir? QU equal to PT, that one given in the question, that one given. And number three, angle are equal, angle what, sir? SQU equal to PRT, that one also given. Okay, so two things we given in the question and one thing we are proving. What is the condition we are proving here? PR equal to QS. This one not given in the question, but little part given in the question. So with the help of that property, that condition, we are proving PR equal to QS. Okay, so that means we are getting three conditions. So here we can say that two triangles are congruent. Triangle PTR congruent, triangle what? QTS, QUS. Two triangles are congruent, and two triangles are congruent means what? Two triangles are congruent, yes, already proved. Okay, so that means here by what property, sir? SAS property. SAS property, two sides and one angle. Okay, so two triangles are congruent. Okay, so first question finished. Next question what, sir? RT equal to SQ. RT